I'm Sharon and welcome to KG.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make bibimbap two ways with two different sauces. Bibimbap just means mixed rice, so it's basically made with rice topped with different vegetables, some sort of protein, and Korean hot pepper paste, gochujang sauce. And you know, it was something that we used to have every single day for almost 2 weeks when we started our plant-based diet, because it's something that's so easy to make and so tasty without meat. So if you want some bibimbap ideas that's so simple and delicious, just keep on watching. Let's start with the common ingredient, rice first. I made this germinated brown rice, para hyunmi. As you may already know, germinated grains are known to be more nutritious with higher bioavailability. So isn't that just wonderful? But of course, you're welcome to use any kind of rice that you prefer. I'm just going to use the rice cooker to cook this. The cooking method is the same as the regular rice. I'll put all the steps to making this germinated rice in the description box below. Okay, let's start with the simplest one first. Very simple soybean sprout or 콩나물 bibimbap. There is more traditional way of making this, but I'll save that for next time. Today we're just gonna keep it simple. Here I have washed 콩나물 or soybean sprouts. I'm just gonna boil it. So put in the boiling water and boil for 3 to 4 minutes without covering. Remember, I didn't put any salt or vinegar when I boil this because I'm saving this water for another recipe, which I think I'm gonna share in the next video. So I'm going to take it out using a strainer like so and rinse in cold water to keep it crisp. We're now going to make perfect sauce for this 콩나물 bibimbap. So first, about 6 cloves of garlic. We're going to mince this. And we're going to finely chop the green onions. This is optional. I'm adding Thai chili pepper, but you can skip it or add any chili pepper you like. I'm going to finely chop this. Okay, I'm mixing 2 different kinds of soy sauce here. Korean soup soy sauce and the regular Korean soy sauce. It just tastes better that way, but you can just any one of them. Some gochugaru, little bit of sugar, and sesame oil. This is so much more than what's needed for this bibimbap, because I like to make extra because it's really versatile. You can use it for dipping sauce, for pan-fried tofu, or other kinds of bibimbap. So it's very handy to keep in the fridge. It lasts for about a week in the fridge. Oh, I forgot something. Sesame seeds. Now it's done. So it's basically done. So I'll put everything together in a serving bowl. So our germinated brown rice. Top it up with 콩나물 and sauce. This is very simple, but it's so delicious with this sauce. So there we have it. It's 콩나물 bibimbap. Next up is sprouts bibimbap or 새싹 bibimbap. It's another simple one, but we're going to top it up with grilled red pepper, which is going to mimic the look of raw tuna. Here you can see that I have 3 different kinds of sprouts that I grew. This is alfalfa, spring mix, and ancient eastern grain mix. It was very easy to grow with this sprouting lid for the mason jar. Super easy to sprout and super nutritious. I'm just going to give these a quick rinse to remove some unsprouted seeds. Then the red pepper. I've already roasted this red pepper in an air fryer at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. I'm just going to peel this. Ooh, don't worry about the burnt part. Just peel it off. And we're going to remove the seeds inside. We're just gonna cut into bite-sized pieces. I'm also going to add some romaine lettuce for nice crisp texture and some green. And this is optional. This is Korean perilla leaves, 깻잎. This will add a nice flavor. Avocado is also optional, but it adds nice creaminess. Ooh, nice! We're gonna try and slice this very thinly. Let's make the sauce now. I'm gonna use the pickle brine from the pickled broccoli stem. If you haven't made it yet, that's okay. I'm gonna put the recipe for the sauce in the description box below. I will add 2 tablespoons and equal amount of gochujang and some sesame oil. Mix it well and it's done. So if you have the pickled broccoli stem, it's very easy to make. It's done. So I'll put everything together in a serving bowl again. Rice first. Sort of put the avocado in the middle. And so you can serve the sauce on the side like so, because it's up to the person who's having this how much they want to put the sauce. So this is 새싹 bibimbap topped with the grilled red pepper. Okay, these are bibimbap 2 ways. This is 콩나물 bibimbap and 새싹 bibimbap, each with their own sauce. Just like these bibimbap, mixed rice, I hope we get to socialize in person, be all mixed in the crowds very soon. But for now, let's just stay home, stay safe, and enjoy this bibimbap at home. I hope you enjoyed my recipes today. And as always, feel free to be creative with the ingredients. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again next time. Bye! It's so pretty. I don't want to destroy this. But I will. So it's better to use the chopsticks to mix this. 잘 먹겠습니다.